Hello and good morning. We're home a lot and you might be doing some cleaning. You might also realize that at the store there are not a lot of cleaning products and also maybe not a lot of paper products. So I can help you out with both those things, and it's a good idea to think about using materials that are not household hazardous materials. And those are the ones that have the caution, warning, danger, poison label on them. These are safer for you, safer for pets, and safer for the environment. We don't have to worry about storing them, using them, or disposing of them in any special way. They're just going to get used up. So, first things first, these are something we use here at the house. These are called unpaper towels, or just, the really fancy name, rags. And these are flannel, really lightweight flannel, like from kids' pajamas. And they've just been cut into squares and finished on the edges. I'm not a sewer, so I actually buy these off of Etsy. There are many different places that sell these kind of things. But you could easily do this on your own. We use them for everything that is not pet related. So we use them for cleaning, we use them for drying hands. Sometimes they get used as a cloth napkin. So these are super handy to have around, can be washed in hot water, so you don't have to worry about germs. So I really recommend these. They also save you a lot of money in paper products. So I thought we'd make a real quick green cleaner that we use here at home. Super easy, really cheap, and all you need is some vinegar, some dish soap, and some hot water, and a bottle that hasn't been reused from like a Windex bottle or any other kind of product with the caution, warning, danger, poison label on it, because you want to make sure that you don't accidentally mix chemicals. So this one I had labeled with something else that was in here. Always make sure that you label what's in the container if you're using just a plain bottle, a spray bottle that you could get at any store really. This one, I used it for mess cleanup, so it's got a specific name on it. It's kind of inside joke at our house. So what I started with was the warm water, and I filled it about halfway. It doesn't have to be warm, but it helps when you're making this to sort of dissolve the dish soap. So squirt a good amount of dish soap in there so you can kind of see it on the bottom. And you're going to shake this up in just a minute. And then you're going to add vinegar. I recommend using a funnel if you've got one. I'm going to just walk on the wild side and try to do it without a funnel. And maybe go, okay, bubbles on the top here. Maybe go a quarter cup of vinegar. I've actually already mixed this, so I don't want to put too much in there. And just a quick note, I do have baking soda. I'm not going to put it in this mix, but there are some green cleaning mixes that you can find, some recipes that you can find that have baking soda in them. I use this for other things, for scrubbing, for deodorizing the garbage disposal, and for other things, maybe scrubbing the toilet once in a while. With this, you can also use essential oils if you want to drop some essential oils in your products. I'm not going to do it for this because frankly, I kind of just want it to smell clean, just vinegary. So once you've got all your stuff in there, just give it a quick shake. And there you go. You've got your cleaner. By the way, if you're going to do windows, I don't recommend using the one with the dish soap in it for the windows because it's going to get kind of streaky. Vinegar by itself does a really, really good job of cleaning windows, and you can use your unpaper towels for that. So have fun with it, good luck, and happy cleaning.